Hey folks, Jim here, and I am Jim. Okay, what we're doing here is, I don't remember if anybody remember, but my brakes, I was got a new one of these, not new, but a junkyard, salvage yard one. I did some cup work and ripped the cup a little bit on my rebuild kit. I got a new rear caliper, not new, junkyard one from the same place, I believe. And in the back, it seemed to work good until my line busted. But so I bent out my line here. I cut it, bent it out, took a tubing cutter, and some people probably don't know what those are. So here you go, people. This one here, it's a mini one. See, has a little wheel in there. You turn it on. Cut. So I did the same to the other side. This is my front part where it attaches right under there. Anyway, so I put this guy in, and he's not tightened up or anything. I'm trying to fish it through and then attach it to that side there. And then what we have here is, you see how you have a put a wrench on there, 7/16 on one, 10 on this one here. Oops. But anyway, the part I wanted to show you is up here. And my battery's going dead, so yay team, huh? Alright, so anyway, this little guy right there is called a ferrule. That there's the nut that slides on. So the little ferrule is what slides on the end of your pipe, your tube here. It's actually inside there right now. First put this on back here, put your ferrule on, and you pull it closed, and then it crunches down on the very outsides of this here. It's real thin here, see? It's real thin. So it crunches down and it makes a union between the two. So that's what I'm going to do now. That's how I'm going to fix it. I showed you before. It was scraped off. I don't know how the scrape got in there, but it's in there. So anyway, somebody had an accident before I got this, and I must have taken it out a bit. So anyway, there you go. That's a little bit of an update there. Thanks a lot for stopping, and I have to get this on the charger so we can do more of this type of stuff. So there you go. That's the update.